Now this here, this is Kevin Pollock's simplified version, and this is for my beginner students. And my beginner students are anywhere between the ages of one, I'm sorry, between the ages of 3 and 10. And in the midst of the, I like to get all my students to actually get familiar with the keyboard. So we want to get interested in as far as what's going on. So let's touch them and see what they sound like. But we have already discovered that this note here to the left of the two black keys is C. So what we want to do is actually see all those notes between this C and this C. You got C. Let's do the white keys first. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Good job. Let's do that again. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Yeah. Now, these black keys, whenever you're going from one key to the next, if you're going to the right, it's going to be called a sharp. If you're going to the left, it's going to be called a flat. So we're going to the right, and we're going to call everything sharp right now. C, C sharp. D, D sharp. E, F, F sharp. G, G sharp. A, A sharp. B, C. Now let's go backwards. C, B. If I'm going to the left, that's B flat. B flat. A flat. G, G flat. F, E, E flat. D, C sharp. C. Good job. So let's actually just go up those and come back down. We're not gonna call out the notes. We just gonna try to go with them both hands. Good job. All right.